I'm gonna try and sing a song. His eyes on the sparrow. Why should I feel discouraged? And why should the shadow come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home when Jesus is my portion? A constant friend is He. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. Thank you.